I mean, for those of you guys that are under 18, I think you guys should just get off the channel, or at least this video right now, because we're gonna get into a topic that I don't really want to talk about. We're gonna talk about my experience with Coke. So,
Got him!
ooh, I don't know about you guys, but I love Coke, man. It's my favorite beverage thus far. Anyway, guys, joking aside, let's get back into the main topic of this video. Now, we're gonna go into this messy garage. We got some evil wheels here. We got some other stuff laying around, but we're gonna be talking about this wheel right here. Yeah, this wheel with all this green goo around it. So keep watching. But first, oh yeah. Oh man. So guys, for real though, what is going on with this rim? It looks like the Hulk took over and made love with this wheel. So this is the finished product. But look, when I squeeze this tire, it is not flat. We're gonna go get the tire gauge, check how much tire pressure we have here, and compare it to how much tire pressure we had when we first put air in it, which was 40 psi. So let's check the tire pressure right now. We are right around 35, 6, 7, 8, 39 point something pounds. So that means over a month of sitting in the garage, this tire did not lose really any tire pressure, which I'm very excited about. That means we sealed the bead. And if you guys keep watching, I'm gonna tell you how this product right here, this tire slime, how I use this product to seal this tire from leaking air every 2 weeks. So let's jump into this video and you guys can find out for yourself this little trick. Once we had the tire cleaned up, I sprayed some soapy water around the bead, and as you can see here, there is a ton of bubbles coming out, and you can see that from the soapy water. So one more time, we're gonna do that without the soap. Here clearly you can see all the air escaping, and it's escaping throughout the whole bead, both on the inner and outer side. So this is pretty bad. This is why the tire was flat, because slowly that air goes out and out. So once we got the tire off and the bead off, we pretty much cleaned up the inside of that wheelbarrow, made sure we just wiped it down with some acetone, made sure there's no grease buildup, tire lubricant, or anything going on, so the tire can seal properly. Once we cleaned it up, we inflated the tire back up to about 45 psi. And just by cleaning up the bead and reinstalling, wow, look at the difference. I'm not noticing any consistent bubbles forming. Maybe there might be one here and there, but we definitely slowed the leak down tremendously by about 95%. So this is the first step you want to take when you're having a bead issue. There's also other ways you can help with bead sealing. There's this thing called bead sealer. You pretty much brush that onto the rim and then install the wheel as normal. Also, if you guys want, you can try tire slime. It's a tire sealant, but you're not going to put it in the tire. You're actually just going to take some and brush it on as well on the edges of the wheel, and Peace.
I ain't here for the money.